Good Sunday morning. Once again, we're waking up to bitter cold conditions out there, dangerously cold, really, with that wind chill advisory still in effect through about 10 o'clock in the morning. And it's because of this, with any sort of light breeze, and it's really not too much, makes it feel like it's as cold as 10 to 20 below zero under a mostly cloudy sky. That high temperature, though, today, look at that. We actually make it out of the teens and even lower 20s, approaching 30 for that top temperature this afternoon. Again, wind chill advisory continues for most of central Ohio through about 10 o'clock this morning, so continue to bundle up out there. You can get frostbite in as little as 30 minutes if you don't do that to any exposed skin. And then newly issued here as of earlier this morning, a winter weather advisory. This won't take effect until tonight, lasting through tomorrow early afternoon. Again, for most of the counties, for us here in central Ohio, because we are going to start to see a wintry, icy mix developing starting late today, more like late this evening overnight. We'll start to see some snow developing and then making a transition as warmer air starts to nose its way in. That will make a transition over to more rain, freezing rain, maybe a little sleet mixed in as well. So making for a slick commute for a lot of areas tomorrow morning. And as far as the snow, about 1 to 2 inches or so of snow possible by the time all is said and done. Check out Pinpoint Forecast. Still not too much taking place through about 7 o'clock this evening, maybe a couple of flurries, but then we'll start to see more snow overspreading the region overnight and very early tomorrow. And yes, that will start as snow, as I mentioned, and then you can start to see a little more pink showing up and green, so indicating that changeover to freezing rain, sleet, and then ending with mostly rain later in the day and tomorrow night, as again temperatures continue to climb. And then waking up Tuesday morning, we'll just have some clouds around, but looking like certainly a drier start. So that forecast for today, still looking mainly dry to finish out the weekend, and a little better with these temperatures, less frigid. About 30, will be down to 27, so leading to some slick areas on the roads early tomorrow. Morning commute will be messy, and even the evening commute as well, with the lingering moisture out there. Some snow will continue to thaw out. Look at this, highs in the 40s and 50s the rest of the week, and then we'll start to see more just rain showers through mid to late week developing. Have a good Sunday. Happy Sunday. Well, today is kind of the calm before the storm, because we have a wintry mess that could be on the way for us over the next 24 hours or so. Today, just looking at a mostly cloudy sky, not going to rule out a couple of flurries here and there. And notice that high temperature, a little better than the teens and 20s we've gotten used to lately. We'll be approaching 30 through this afternoon, with that south breeze picking up at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. So this is what's happening starting with tonight. Winter weather advisory takes effect around midnight or so over most of central Ohio and areas south and west, and will linger right on through the early part of Monday afternoon. This is why you can see Pinpoint Forecast. After seeing more clouds today, we start to develop some snow over the area while we're sleeping, with a little pink showing up here. That indicates more of a changeover to maybe an icy mix, a little sleet, a little rain, which would become freezing rain as it freezes on contact because the ground is so cold. May see an icy glaze developing on some elevated surfaces, or say stair railings as you're out and about during the day tomorrow. And it's mainly for the morning hours. So you can see again that chance will linger. Freezing rain, sleet, and snow. More snow than anything else the farther north and east you go through the day. It will start to taper off by late afternoon. Then we'll start to see more clearing going into Tuesday. Back to dry conditions as temperatures continue to moderate or warm up a little bit. So obviously the two main hazards here: freezing rain leading to slick conditions on the roads, especially tomorrow morning, and about 1 to 2 inches of snowy accumulation also possible with this next system. So today, mostly cloudy, a light breeze at times, temperatures a little less frigid through the afternoon. We'll drop down into the upper 20s by tomorrow morning, 37 with that icy mix, mainly for the morning hours, early afternoon. Then we continue to thaw out, 40 for a high on Tuesday with sunshine, staying unsettled, but with those highs in the 40s and 50s. Can you believe it? We've actually got some rain showers in the forecast to finish out the week.